Today, I'll show you how to submit tax information in Google AdSense. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Click Payments. Then click Payments Info. Now find the Settings section and click Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see your payments profile. Inside this area, look for the Tax Information section. It may say United States Tax Info, or it may show tax details for another country, depending on your account. Click Manage Tax Info. Google may ask you to sign in again to confirm your identity. After that, AdSense will guide you through the tax form step by step. The questions may be different depending on your country, account type, and whether your account is individual or business. Enter your legal name, address, country of residence, and tax identification number if required. Make sure the details match your official documents and your AdSense payment profile. Before submitting, review everything carefully. Check your name, address, country, and tax number one more time. When everything looks correct, click Submit. After submitting, your tax information may show as accepted, in review, or action required. If it says Action Required, open the Tax section again and follow Google's instructions. So, to keep it simple, go to Payments, then Payments Info, open Manage Settings, choose Manage Tax Info, complete the form, review it, and submit. And that's how you submit tax information in Google AdSense. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.